Hello everybody, welcome to another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a common recurrence that I found in math. Now, I don't know about you guys, but a lot of things that I find analogies for sprout with math, and then they sprout to a lot of other subjects, which may sound really confusing to think about, but I'm going to give 2 examples today in this video, and let me know how everyone likes it. My goal is to get 1 subscriber every single time, every time I upload a video. If you could get me to 4 subscribers, that would be much appreciated. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and let's get straight into it. So the first example is graphs. I don't know how to explain the graphs really, but it's 2 circles and they interconnect. And I'll put it in the on the screen right now while I'm editing it. So imagine you have those 2 circles, right? And the 2 circles are one circle is for numbers divisible by 2, and the other one's for numbers divisible by 3. And they intersect, and it's numbers divisible by 2 and 3, and that's what the graph is. I was reading a really cool book about this. It was a book about someone who was not native to America, and there was another one about the Twin Towers, and but they were all pretty interesting books about how people have to fit into multiple culture groups, and all of them intersect to make who they are. And it's a really good analogy for a lot of things, but it starts with math, and math is something that seems really basic at first, but is a really good analogy for life once you take a deeper look at it. So anyways, just sticking with the graph idea, an example is you're so many things that's all intersecting, and yeah, that's kind of a cheesy example, but I feel graphs are introduced to us at such an early age, when we were 2. Obviously not 2, but when we were really young, they were introduced to us, in the graphs are this and that, and just for numbers, and now they can be for language arts and social studies, and they're a really good analogy for coming from different culture groups and stuff like that, coming from different places. So yeah, so if you do want to, I highly suggest that you make 2 circles and draw just draw if you have a school culture and an at-home culture, and how those 2 intersect. Things that apply to both would go in the middle, and things that only apply to one would go in the regular circles. And yeah, that's kind of how that works. I'm tired. Anyways, the next point is algebra rule. If you don't know algebra yet, well, basically the concept of algebra is pretty simple. You just have a number and an unknown number, and this could be simplifying this equation to make it easier to understand by using multiplication rules, or it could be filling in the x, because you could have 7 plus x equals 3, and obviously we know that's 3 right off the bat, but the way you're supposed to do it is you're supposed to subtract. You're supposed to take a certain you have to get to 10. So 7 to 10 is 3. So you have to get to 3, right? So you have to add 3 more, but then you have to add 3 to the other side, because if you didn't add 3 to the other side, then it would be like off balance and stuff like that. I don't know how to explain it. I just know how to do the math, really. Do the math side. And I don't really know how to explain it, but it's a good analogy because everything you do in algebra always has to be balanced. And if it's not balanced, it all kind of falls over. It's kind of like how we know we should be like doing X amount of things, or doing X amount of this, or like sleeping for X amount of hours, but how we know we should be positive, but we're not that positive sometimes. So the lesson that I have for this one, and this is something I've been doing recently too, like every time I'm playing like Minecraft and I'm losing a lot, like every time I say something negative, I name a positive, because then that always keeps me happy, because there's always a good thing that comes out of it. So yeah, that's basically all my analogies that I have for math. If you have any analogies from your math class, comment them down below, and make sure to subscribe, because I'm trying to get 1 subscriber every upload. And yeah, thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.